Well, here we go. Well, tonight or early this morning, I'm going to pick up that package, special delivery, Grandma's baby, Camp Christian. Happy third summer. This will be the third summer the grandson's here with us. And as some of you may remember, once upon a time, you would be shipped off to Grandma's house during the summer to get out of that big city life down in Miami or wherever you're from, and they ship you off to what is called the country for the most part. So let's give you a little tour of this is how that goes. And so this is Grandpa's workshop, right? I can't tell you the secret name that Christians named it, right? But we have our own little business every summer, and Christian loves it, right? And so what's the key here? Scripture says, raise up a child in the way they should go, right? And when they get old, they will not depart from it. So what we've got to do is we got to teach our kids some skills other than on the cell phone constantly, on their laptops, the tablets, whatever it is, right? We got to make sure they have some functional skills, right? Something that will help them develop. And so here you can see this is what I do on my spare time, summer, right? School's out for the summer. And I show you some of the videos that I had during the end of the year before school closed out. And so now I've got to fly to Miami in the morning. The flight departs about 6:45 a.m., arriving into Fort Lauderdale. And my daughter's scheduled everything to set up for me to pick up the grandson. And so that's what we do. This is the third summer, and I'm going to be showing you some of the first summer videos, the second summer. Second summer, he wasn't feeling so well, right? So we didn't get to do as much. He had a slight infection, lung infection, and so Grandma had to rush him over to urgent care because he wasn't feeling well. But he's a trooper. When he gets here, he was still playing and running around, but he just wasn't himself. And right, so she noticed and got him over to urgent care so he could get himself back in shape. These are my two guys, right? I had number 8 my junior year in high school. And so those guys, I was also stationed in San Francisco in the Navy. And of course, Dallas is my team, the 49ers. The 49ers, Frank Gore from Miami, Coconut Grove, played for the 49ers, not with the present quarterback, and he should be in the Hall of Fame. But again, he'll probably be in there in the next couple of cycles, if not sooner. So again, just wanted to let you see what it is. Christians, happy summer vacation. Camp Christian. Happy third summer vacation. All right, signing off. I'll pick you up later. I've still got to drop those other videos from the end of the school year. And so I'll get those out as soon as possible. But I've been kind of busy. Of course, end of school year. Got things to do. But again, flying out in the morning to pick up that special package. All right? All right, guys. Go Navy or go home.